Hey there! Welcome back to our channel Driving Tips for Success, where we share the best driving tips and tricks to make your life on the road easier and safer. Struggling with parking on hills? It can be a real challenge, especially if you're new to driving or just haven't had much practice with it. No worries, I've got you covered. With a few simple tips, you'll be parking on hills like a pro in no time. Today, I'm going to show you how to park like a pro, both uphill and downhill. These techniques are essential for ensuring your car stays put and doesn't roll away. First up, let's tackle uphill parking. This is often seen as the trickier of the two, but with the right approach, it's a breeze. When you're parking uphill, always turn your wheels away from the curb. This might seem counterintuitive at first, but there's a good reason for it. That way, if your car starts rolling, it will hit the curb and stop. This simple step can prevent a lot of potential accidents, and don't forget to set your parking brake. Simple, right? The parking brake is your best friend when it comes to securing your car on a slope. Now, downhill parking is just as easy. It follows a similar principle but with a slight twist. This time, turn your wheels towards the curb. This ensures that if your car starts to roll, it will be stopped by the curb. Same idea here. If your car rolls, the curb will stop it. This is a crucial step in preventing your car from rolling into traffic or other obstacles. And again, use that parking brake. Here's a bonus tip. The parking brake adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your car stays exactly where you left it. If there's no curb, always turn your wheels toward the side of the road. This is especially important in rural or less developed areas where curbs might not be present. This way, your car won't roll into traffic. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in keeping your vehicle and others safe. Remember, these tips aren't just for safety, they'll also save you a lot of hassle and potential damage to your car. Proper parking techniques can prevent costly repairs and insurance claims. So next time you're on a hill, stay calm and park smart. With these tips in mind, you'll handle any hill with confidence and ease. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more driving tips. We're here to help you become the best driver you can be. Until next time, drive safe and park like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy driving.